Kamusta princess? Tayo nanonood na to kay Angela. Nabilong nakakatakot. Ito, ang dami talaga. Ang dami. Napakadami talaga. Rifle ko. Pablo. Tigiting.
Okay, ako din! Tara! Bilis! Kasi magsasabi ko!
Tapos ito ay true story. Ito na dito si Kuya El. Labi! Oh my god, this is so creepy. Ito. Ito kaya dito ba to? Okay. Lato. Okay, so first naman. Ito muna paputusin natin. Ito.
This is the untold truth about Talking Angela. Talking Angela started as a mobile phone app used by a lot of children. Angela is a white cat with blue eyes who has conversations with you and can answer any questions that you ask her. But recently, Talking Angela turned into an app to spy on young children. It's said that the app has been taken over by a creepy man or a creepy group. It's said that if you're over 18, nothing happens. But if you're younger than that, the cat starts asking you very weird questions. Like, where do you live? What is your parents' names? And what is your phone number? The creepy man or the group are able to take videos and pictures of you through your own phone. Also, if you zoom in on Angela's eye, you can see a...
Okay. So ito, wala. Wala mo nakakita dito eh. Dito. Oh, nakita akong bahay dito. Tapos ito may mga taong ito na. Sinto mukha yung Sigma.
Little tag, but whatever color I get.
Diyan.
This is the untold truth. A young boy named Eli went missing. Her whore, the cat responded with, "That's a lie. You're about 11 or 12 years old." And the cat was right. Also, a young boy named Eli went missing shortly after downloading the app, and he was never found. This is the
Oh, ang creepy
Show
naman
me your
yun.
eye.
What's happening?
But it was like moved.
Yeah!
Okay, tapusin natin to.
Talking Angela is really a front for...
Ayaw, binalitan siya! Oh my goodness! Ito ko na ito panunodin. Ito ko na ito dadanlog.
Child predators. That looks like a cute little cat, but apparently they say it's hiding a big bad secret.
Like someone was behind the eyes watching you at all times, even if you're off the app.
Many parents and kids believe behind those big blue eyes
Kasi may mga...
sa mata. May camera daw sa mata ni Angela or meron daw nakatingin or meron daw nanonood. So I guess hindi ako niniwala nung una. Pero nung napanood ko tong video na to, parang napaisip ako na baka nga, no? Sabi nila guys, kapag 18 years old daw, pataas, wala daw problema yon. Pero para daw sa mga bata, delikado daw yon. So, sa mga nanonood, disclaimer lang po, wag nyo tong gagawin. Wag kayo maglaro ng 3 a.m. Ha? Wag nyo gagawin yung ginawa ko. So, ayun guys. So, ipapanood ko sa inyo yung napanood ko sa TikTok. Ayan.
Ayan, no?
So, ayun guys, tignan nyo dito sa
Wow,
2012.
talaga.
Ayan. At saka sa 2014. Ayan. Pero tignan nyo na siya ngayon guys. Ayan. Meron na siyang camera. May camera na siya sa mata. So, hindi ko alam kung camera ba yan or tao. Pero sabi nila may tumitingin daw. So, ayun guys, kinakabahan ako.
Okay. So, napakadami talagang. Ito, may token 1. Token 1 ulit.
What if Talking Angela ate him? Look! Oh wait, hold up. There's what? She ate Talking Tom! She legitimately ate him! Doesn't make any sense. Listen, you shouldn't be here. What? I have this insane, over-the-top idea that I think might just be so insane that it'll work. Tonight, I attempt to cut Talking Tom and Talking Angela at the exact same time. A lot of people have been asking me. It's hard to tell, but yeah, it might be.
That is weird. I know Amethyst is used to like block like supernatural things, right?
So why would that be?
I have no idea. That's
Well, maybe it was like
ang dami
your pre-made.
talaga nakagugulo dito sa Talking Angela. Wait, Angela.
So, like someone was behind the eyes watching you at all times, even if you're off the app
Ito
and
na,
your phone
binalita
and your
siya.
phone's off.
The kids are really sending us messages almost daily about Talking Angela.
Well, that's an app your kids are talking about. Looks like a cute little cat, but apparently they say it's hiding a big bad secret. Call 7 investigator Teresa Marchetta has been looking into this, and it's
talking to me already,
Yeah, you can it's already talking back to you. What have you discovered? What's in this?
Lalo.
It looks harmless
Don,
enough.
loading. Kasi ito.
Ginagayan niya lang naman sinasabi ko eh. Ano yun? So, pindutin natin tong itong box. Pindutin natin itong box.
Kasi natatakot talaga. Takot na.
Wait lang.
Bye.